Hello, I'm Tony Rivera and I'm here at this woodland cabin and I'm attempting to make pizza on an open fire. What I'm going to do is, this is a old trick from my uncle, may rest in peace, Uncle Frank Ciccone, and I'm going to use what is some type of pita bread. I'm kind of moving it, getting the bread hot, then I'm going to sauce cheese and put the toppings on. So let's see how it goes. Got the bread nice and hot. I probably should do this with tongs because this isn't very smart being a guitar player, but I just want to flip this. Now the bread's nice, seems to be hot. This one's hotter, so I'm going to just slow that down. This seems to be a hot spot. You want the bread hot because when you put the sauce on, it's going to get things real cold and you want things to melt. I'm assuming. Keep in mind, this is the first time I'm doing this, so we're taking this beautiful rack thing and everything out for a spin today. And I have tongs this time because I thought it would be not a good idea to burn my fingers. So here we go. It looks like we got the bread nice and hot, so we can proceed with the toppings. It's a good idea to have all the toppings ready so you're not burning things while you're doing the sauce. This is going to call for something quick. Let's try. Okay, so don't laugh at me if I make a big mess, but here goes. Put a little dollop in the middle. That ought to do. Okay. Have the spoon ready. Schmear. Get nice like that. I hope Uncle Frank is up there in heaven looking at me going, okay, it's not a bad idea. Okay. Put that over there. Now today you could use buffalo milk mozzarella, you could use different types of cheese, you could use regular mozzarella. I like to use sliced cheese. This particular cheese is goat cheese because we're trying to be a little healthier than normal, but here goes. Nice thin slices on the top. You don't want to over cheese. I know that sounds like, that would be sacrilege. You can't have enough cheese, especially with an Italian, but you want things to cook nice and even. Now before I was moving the bread around a lot, the crusts that we have here. See? Alright, I said I wasn't going to over cheese and I'm over cheesing. I can't help it. I gotta have a spatula. This particular spatula is a plastic one. Again, this is not really that smart when dealing with an open fire, but that's what I have right now, so I'm just going to move things quick. It looks like I don't know if we're melting yet, but we got things cooking. Once the cheese melts a little bit, we can put our cold toppings on top of that. Here we go. All right, it looks like, wow, it looks like we're achieving a melt here. Again, we want to keep moving that because normal pizza, you're doming it with something. And as you see, I can put my hand over here. There's not a lot of heat coming from the top. So we're basically toasting this like a grilled cheese. Yeah, we achieved melt. Okay, so now I got two different types of toppings here. I have garlic and mushrooms, which my beautiful wife Paula loves mushrooms, so this is going to be hers. I'm going to kind of just dump it on top. Again, my toppings are ready to go. And then put a little spread on there. Again, you want to do even. It's going to be difficult for that to get hot because we're not doming. So we're going to try this. This is mine. This is hot peppers, onions, and garlic, of course. There we go. And we're smearing. It's an old term to smear, to distribute, spread, homogenize. Okay. Here we go. It might be, I'm just thinking about this now, to put tin foil over the top. Okay, now we're back and we have a serving plate and it looks like this wasn't a total disaster. I'm waiting for this one to get if you can notice, there's a stiffness here, which is like a nice little crust going on. I just want to get that stiffness on my wife's pizza, and we should be all good to eat. She's almost ready. Okay, and we're now going to pull and enjoy and eat. I want to thank you for looking at this wonderful little video, and I hope this helps, and I hope you find it entertaining. See? Beautiful. Actually, that came out quite well. It smells very good. It smells like
Don't hurt your arm patting yourself on your back.
Oh. Well, I haven't actually gotten this on the plate yet, so I can't really claim victory.
Is the spatula melting?
No, it's not melting, but it's not strong enough to hold the weight of the pizza. So
What are you going to do, Tony Rivera?
I'm going to improvise. I'm going to use the tongs. They're metal, which, as you can see, will work better. And that just wants to go right on the plate. There we go. Here we go. This is, in honor of my uncle, this is pizza alla Francisco there on the grill.